can you hold one hand against the wall? Yeah, but do it like naturally. Okay. Do you want me to hold it back for you?
Yeah, sure.
Ooh, I love it. But it's too heavy even for me. A little bit closer. Nice. I love that smile. Okay. Can we move toward that? I'm thinking about that background over there too. If you have time, can we move there? Yeah. Okay. Maybe some over here first. Can you do the sitting pose like this? Yeah, but with the hands across the shoulder. There we go. You know that I don't have to do much, on the walk.
Still sitting?
Maybe standing in the middle. Yeah. Again, sitting. I'll do this as a foreground, and then you'll be the main subject.
Oh, right.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, eyes up there. Beautiful. Nice. Can we move over there? Yeah. If you live living nearby, maybe we should keep in touch, and then I'll arrange another day of shooting with you.
Okay.
Yeah? All right. Thanks. Since Christmas is coming, maybe that would be the theme for us.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Do you have like black? I'm sorry. I mean red or blue or green outfit?
I can look.
Yeah.
So where? Here, there?
Yeah, right over there. Okay, maybe just over here. Yeah, in the middle. There we go. A foot to. Okay, there we go.